Since 1949, Payne Auto Group has been a trusted name when it comes to fulfilling automotive needs. From domestic brands including Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, Chevy, Buick, GMC, and Ford, to imports including Volkswagen and Mitsubishi, Payne Auto Group has quite the selection of vehicle models and subtypes for all occasions. When it comes to your business, our commercial and fleet division offers a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, cab chassis, plus specialty models including ambulances, fire rescue, and law enforcement units. Our experienced team of professionals can help select and customize vehicles while offering competitive pricing, maintenance packages, financing, and lease options to accomplish your goals while staying within your budget. By partnering with Payne Auto Group's commercial and fleet division, you can rest assured to always have access to a wide range of high-quality, reliable vehicles that can take your business to the next level.